I just finished picking out all my classes that I'm going to register in the fall. I've been talking about it forever and it's all finally getting so real. Welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today is Monday. It's 1:13 p.m. and I don't know what came over me. I think it was because I had such a lazy weekend, but I actually got up this morning and went to a workout class at 8 o'clock. It doesn't sound that impressive, but I didn't think I was going to do it because I had this Zoom. It was like this 2-hour-long registration Zoom from 10 to 12. So I was like, I'll set my alarm if I wake up and go, great. If not, whatever. But I actually went. That might be the closest I've ever come to passing out. There's still sweat on my forehead. I just got out of core power and I look seriously unwell, but I have to share this because I don't want to lose the thought and forget about it. Anyway, if you've ever been to a yoga class, they do this thing at the end called savasana. It's basically just relaxing at the end of a session. I think it's also called corpse pose. You really just lay there after you stretch at the end of the workout and just kind of sit with your thoughts. Some people take a nap. I really don't know the intricacies of it, but I always pray in the savasana because it's like a forced quiet time, and I try to default to prayer every time I have those moments. So I always pray, and it's helpful for me because usually I'll go and do these workouts in the morning. It just gets my day started on the right foot. So today I'm thinking about college. I have this Zoom in like 45 minutes for registering for my classes, and my whole thought process was, oh my gosh, I'm so glad there's a core power in Boulder because I can go there if I'm feeling really homesick and have some sense of familiarity, like a constant thing that I can have. And then that led me to like, what are the other constants? My second thought was Starbucks. A pink drink tastes the same no matter what state I'm in. And then I went to food, and then I went to the fact that I'll have my job that I'm able to take with me. Throughout this whole thing, I was missing the biggest constant, Jesus, and that's really the only constant I can count on. And this verse came to my mind. It's Ruth 1:16. It says, Ruth replied, "Don't urge me to leave you or to turn back from you. Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God." I know it's Ruth talking in this verse and not God, but it kind of just hit me. Like, I can have all these little worldly constant things, but what's really gonna matter, it's time to be real. Sorry, distraction. What's really gonna matter and what really will be a constant wherever I go is God. That's really the only thing I can lean on, especially in my situation, because I know of people, you know what I mean, but I don't know anyone also going to Colorado. So that's my little message of the day, message of the vlog. I need to go home and shower because I feel like a pool of sweat. I look so gross. I'm really proud of myself though for getting up to do this early before the Zoom. Back to the present moment. I washed my hair, got showered. I feel so much better. I literally, you saw I was disgusting. And I just went through on my college portal and selected all the classes I'm gonna take. I have to be really quick. I register on Thursday, so I have to be really quick, like going in and selecting everything again. But I have my classes and my backup options and everything and all my credit hours like ready to go. I need to start cleaning my room because it's not cute. It's just, I need to make my bed and put all this clean laundry away. I also really need to go eat something because all I've had today is a bar. But I went shopping with my mom yesterday and I want to show you guys what I got. First is this dress. They both happen to be like Boulder colors-ish. It's kind of hard to tell what this looks like, but it ties up. It's like a halter top pretty much. And then I also got this tank top. I thought this would be cute for game days. Maybe this too, I don't know. This might be a little too much. I'm gonna go eat when I figure out what I want to make. I'm feeling really lazy right now. I was feeling so motivated this morning and now it's gone. I'm really crossing my fingers that everything works out with my schedule the way I want it to, but I'm also trying to keep an open mind because so many people are registering at once. But it was a big learning curve, like figuring out how to register myself, because in high school my counselors just did it for me. I also find it interesting how it's so different at every school. A lot of people have to go to their school, like Allie's in Texas right now for her orientation, and mine is all online, and then the first week only freshmen are on campus. It's almost annoying. Like, I wish they could all just get on the same page, especially with applications, because that was the most irritating thing, having to apply to schools that were outside the Common App or just wanted you to answer like a plethora of questions. Hi. I'm having like an adult Lunchable for lunch because I really don't feel like making anything. I was gonna make a smoothie, but now it's like too late in the day. And this Poppy, I can't figure out what it tastes like. It's so familiar. It's like a Capri Sun almost. It's really good. Me and my Capri Sun are back upstairs to eat. Papa watches the TV so loud downstairs, and it just is really not ideal to vlog when the TV is so loud in the background. I kind of feel like I have no friends right now. I'm just ranting. Who knows how much of this I'll keep in. Sometimes I just talk to the camera and I have to cut it all because it's like pointless. Matt is back from his camping trip, so we're doing something later. Anyway, I kind of feel like I have no friends right now because everyone's out of town. And I've been spending the last couple days with my mom, but she went back to work, so now it's just me and my lonely self. I also really need to be better about reaching out to people to hang out or do something instead of just expecting something to come about or other people to plan things. Like, I've been talking about how I want to do a bonfire, but I have not taken initiative to talk to anybody about doing it. You know what I mean? I just need to be better about taking initiative to plan more. It was so much easier during school when you could just like go get food with people after a school event. Naturally, everyone was together more often. The rest of this week is just gonna be dedicated to doing all the things that I've been putting off, like setting up my iPad. I'm gonna take today, before Matt comes over, these pants to the alterations place. I love them and they fit so good, but they're just long on me. And it was fine. I thought I could just keep rolling them up and there was not a problem, but then they got dirty. It's hard to tell because I washed them, but they got all nasty from dragging on the ground. So I want to get these hemmed. I need to organize all the dorm stuff I have out there sitting in boxes. Needs to be shipped. I've passed the divide of it being the summer after my senior year to now it being the summer before my freshman year of college. And if I think this summer as a whole has gone by fast, I can only imagine how fast this next month is gonna go. Grace's dad was calling it the Trail of Tears, and I agree. Until I get there, I think I'll just be a wreck thinking about leaving home, and then I'll be fine once I'm there. I just need to have all my feelings. Anyway, that's enough ranting from me. It's time to channel my inner housewife and clean this laundry. Matt's coming over, so I don't have time to put away all this. So I've just left it on my bed in an effort to put it away before I put my sheets back on. It's like a 60% chance. Speak of the devil. What is that? Can you flip it over? Here, pool boy, scoop the bug. What the heck is this? Don't. Stop. Seriously, don't. What is that thing?
Potato bugs have strong drugs that can sink into the skin and cause a moderate amount of pain if they bite you. Luckily, it isn't common to get rid of potato bugs. They don't inject venom.
It's a potato bug.
Okay, let's go swimming.
It's so late. It's like 2 a.m. Oopsies. I'm about to get ready for bed, but it's been so long since I updated you. We went swimming for a while, had dinner, came inside, we watched the angels. I made cookies, cleaned my room. I have to talk quiet because the rest of my family's sleeping. I get stuck on my phone late at night and I just stay on it till way too late. It was a really good, fun day. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably picked up on this, but I am so bad at vlogging when I'm with Matt. I try to take as many little clips as I can here and there, but it's just never really a consistent thing. A lot of content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, whatever, I feel like purposely don't show their relationships or don't show, I guess, a more in-depth view of their relationship for the sake of privacy and keeping to themselves, which I also do a little bit. I really believe there's a lot of things that are best not shared on the internet, but I also have to take into account the fact that Matt didn't choose to have like his relationship plastered all over my YouTube videos. So I just try to vlog all the little moments that I can, and that's worked out great. But on days like today, I get no content today because we're with each other majority of the afternoon. So that's where I was all day today. Also, I have had it up to here with the bugs today. I killed 2 spiders. I'm so dramatic. But no one else is awake. Like, I'm not gonna go wake somebody up to kill a spider. I'm just not cut out for this life of taking care of the bugs. I really feel like that's a man's job. That bug we saw earlier out of the pool, so gross. What do I get? Like a chill down my spine. But I'm proud of myself for taking care of the most recent 2. That's all for me, from me. What am I saying? For today. I have Bible study in the morning, so I'll see you then. Good night. Good morning, happy Tuesday. It's only a matter of time before this falls down, but I'm on my way to Bible study. I'm like a minute away, double strapped up. I'm wearing my new tank top, and it's 10:05. I'm 5 minutes late. I was gonna be on time, but there's traffic. It's gonna be a great day. It's so beautiful. It's already 80 something degrees and it's only 10 a.m. and I didn't think I was gonna have that much to do today, but it's kind of filled up, so I'll fill you in after this. I'm sweating. It's now almost 2 o'clock. I just left the alterations place. I was sitting in the car in the heat. I didn't want to keep my car on because I have a bad battery. I'm scarred from my battery problems in the past. I went to Bible study, went to go get lunch where Avery works with some of the people that were at Bible study, and then I went to the alterations place, and the guy is literally the nicest man ever. He wasn't in his shop, he was probably just like taking a lunch break or something, and he came back for me. But I was waiting in the car because I had nowhere to go. Anyway, I'm about to go get a coffee and try to get some stuff done in this coffee shop. The only other thing I have on the schedule for the rest of the day is babysitting at 5. I was literally on my way home, and then I pulled over and turned around so I could come to this coffee shop because I just know I'll get so much more done if I'm here versus at home. It has to be like 90 something degrees right now. I'm gonna get as much as I can done here and then go to Target because I need a new phone charger, and I am all out of body wash. I also want to do some organizing if I have time. I need to get out of this car and go work. I walked on into the coffee shop, ordered my drink, sat down, got all set up, and then the employee told me they were closing. So that was a fail, and now I'm at Target. Secured the bag. I've decided that I am done with this weird negative mood I'm in. Today and yesterday, I'm just feeling off, but I'm done with it. I'm deciding to get out of this mood. Anyway, got new body wash. I've never tried this before, but it smells heavenly. It was $1 more than my usual body wash, so hopefully I like it. Replacement for the broken charger, hand soap, and these cute little mini notes with envelopes. So I want to leave, it's really cheesy, I want to leave like little notes for Matt because we're going to be long distance. I don't think he's going to watch this. I hope he's not watching this because I want it to be a surprise. And little notes for my parents around the house. Update on my mood. This might be a little bit of a reach. It says if you are properly hydrated, your body won't be able to get enough tryptophan, I hope that's how you pronounce it, into your brain to convert to serotonin. Dehydration also depletes the levels of other amino acids in your brain, leading to feelings of anxiety, dejection, irritability, and inadequacy. I genuinely think I was severely dehydrated because I'm on my second glass of water and I already feel so much better, and I haven't had any water today besides like 2 sips when I first woke up, and I've just been sweating all day. So here's your reminder, if you haven't already, to drink some water. I'm about to go babysit, but I finally finished setting up my iPad home screen. This is the only, oh, just kidding, a lost little folder. I just have one home page, and this is from the Countdown app. Crazy. And I also did the battery widget, and this I found on TikTok from the app Flip Clock. And that's my little home screen, and this is from the Bible app. It's a lot like my phone. This is my phone home screen. There was no way I was gonna go through and design all the little apps though on this. Maybe I will for the bright ones. That took me way longer than it should have. I'm already back. I'm eating one of these cookies because they're so good. I will link the recipe in the description. I need to get my you-know-what together because I feel like I've been so many places today, but I really have not gotten anything done. Mostly computer work-wise, but I just have to edit. I'm eating another cookie. Those are so good. They're almost better the second day. Say hi. Hi. We are very excited because a Sweetgreen finally opened up close where we live. So me and my mom are going on a little lunch date tomorrow. The first time I had Sweetgreen was actually in Boulder, and I loved it. It was so good. And the closest one I think is like LA, somewhere in LA to us. So I'm hyped. I have no plan.
Shut it.
Shut it. Anyway.
I think we should go teach classes.
Let's do it. Why do you think that?
I feel like there could be something there for us.
Let's do it. I'm on the hunt. I found some good things though. Need to narrow it down. I'm so tired right now. I don't know what has gotten into me. I just feel like I'm gonna fall flat on the floor. I'm looking at frames right now. None of which I need. I need to remember like less is more in this dorm. This is not a large space. We're just strolling. Funny. Unfortunately, it was kind of an trip to TJ Maxx, but I did leave with 2 things. Essential oils for my dorm. I have 2 at home, but they're both almost out. And I also got this Milk Makeup Brow Gel because I'm way all out of the e.l.f. when I'm really due for a new one. It's basically a brush at this point. This is just clear. Mom, what are your thoughts on our experience? It's kind of mediocre.
Lackluster TJ Maxx. I don't know, you know.
It was.
It's always a hit or miss.
Our next stop is the grocery store. Happy Wednesday. It's another gorgeous day. It's like 90, 80 something today. And I'm about to get ready and go for a run. I feel like a loser for staying up as late as I did. I was up till like 2 in the morning watching my show. I will explain. Look at how massive this clip is. It's nice because it actually holds your hair in, so I'll link it if you have thick hair. I thought I was watching the season finale of season 1. I've been watching Firefly Lane. Anyway, for some reason I thought that there was only 1 season, but I was wrong. There's 2 seasons, so of course at the end of season 1 they leave you on a cliffhanger, so I had to keep watching. And that led me into like 3 episodes of the 2nd season. Originally I was gonna go to the gym today, but I slept in too much, so that's why I'm going on a run, because I still want to do something. And it'll probably end up being a walk because it's so hot. I'll be right back. Here's the outfit. I'm ready to go. It's like 97 degrees outside, so I'm probably not even gonna make it a mile. I'm the worst runner, so I'll report back. See ya. Okay, done. It really wasn't that bad, just hot. The plan for the rest of the day is to go to lunch with my mom and then the beach and then youth group tonight. And probably work on my computer later because I didn't get enough done last night because I was up till like 3. Bless. Lauren Kim.
Hey guys, we're at the beach. We're sitting next to a bunch of people that go to the same school. I feel like we're party crashing. Look at all the surfers, show the surfers. That's a cute clip. They have tofu too. Apparently Katie doesn't like fish.
I'm definitely in the back of all of that, just like squinting my eyes at my phone. It's literally gorgeous though. I'm trying to get more tan.
If you guys don't want content, if you guys don't want the day in the life of a private school student, we'll supply.
You know who to call. We're all obsessed with the whipped cream sunscreen. I don't know if it's back in stock, but if it is, I'll link it. But it's the coolest thing ever. Coolest branding. We're back. I feel so dehydrated.
Stanley's out.
Oh, it's out.
I know, that's pretty sad.
I'm just not paying any attention. I got some sand in there. Anyway, I'm really excited to eat. I had that sweet green salad, but that's all I've had today, and it's almost 3 o'clock. That's about it from us. Anything else? Should I turn left here?
No, yeah, probably. It's like that was upside down and zoomed in. Hello.
Where should I go?
Go left. Yeah.
I thought they had a stop sign, but they didn't, so I had to gas it.
All right, Katie, time to parallel.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Pull up for me.
Okay, that's your queen.
Thank you so much.
This is a blessing.
It really is. This is the Lord.
That's it. Katie killed that parking
have a
job.
name?
Thank God. The water has never tasted so good. 10 out of 10 bowl. Best bowl of my life.
Hey vlog. Oh my gosh, I don't mind my hair or my face. We're waiting on Char Binks. He's taking
waiting
a
on Bink
fat
Bink.
minute.
And we're ready to roast some s'mores. Yeah, Matt's over here on a really intense phone call. He looks like a businessman, like stressed about his deal not going through. We're going to see Barbie tomorrow night.
Well, if you don't want to
With
see
all the
Barbie
girlies.
off, I know what you want to do.
And we'll keep you updated.
Okay.
That's all for now.
Hello, vlog.
Why do you vlog so close to your face?
It's funny.
It's been a minute since I've last vlogged. It's Thursday night. Today was kind of a crazy day. I went to the gym with MK this morning after waking up like way later than I should have. I got up at 7:50, but I was supposed to get up at 7:30. And it's honestly a miracle that I got up at 7:50 because I went to bed at like 2 in the morning. I came up here after we did our s'mores thing, fire pit, and got in bed on my phone. I was texting Allie. Fell right asleep, so I woke up with all the lights on. And you would think if I went to bed at like 2 in the morning, I wouldn't get up at 7 o'clock. But I got up. I'm sweating because I'm rushing. Anyway, went to the gym today, went to Matt's house, went to Starbucks for a couple hours to work. I did not just do that. She's okay. Anyway, we're gonna go see Barbie, and today is the last day of this vlog. The movie started, and look who's back from NYC.
Me with my greasy hair.
We're gonna watch Barbie. We'll update you after it's over. We're pumped. Ready, set, go.
I'd rate it 8.5 because I just didn't like the ending that much. I rate it a 9 out of 10 because at parts I was like, wow, this is like kind of boring, like the set. And I was like, wait, they're Barbies.
Okay. Mother Sarah is here.
Hey queens.
Stop! Sarah.
Lauren, rate the movie.
I give it a 9 out of 10. I weirdly cried a lot.
I rated it a 9 as well. I thought it was pretty funny.
I give it a 9. I thought it was very emotional, had a lot of underlying themes. Very good for womanhood. I loved it.
I give it a 7 out of 10, but I can't explain why because it'll spoil the movie. So.
I liked it, but I wasn't really happy with the ending. I expected better for all the promo it got, you know?
Yeah.
There's just a little bit of what?
It was better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like kind of stupid. An 8.5 out of 10. Because I think 1.5 goes away because of the ending. They went like this. It was like, and then it just like leveled off.
Yeah, the beginning was better.
Yeah.
I loved it. I hated it.
They just had so many little
Cried the whole
Cried
time.
on the way home.
Cried the way home. Still crying.
What's your rating?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I give it a 10 out of 10. It hit way too hard.
Yeah, it was that change thing really got me.
Said, I don't want to change. And I bawled my eyes out.
Is Ariana Grande getting a divorce?
Keep the shirt.
Yeah, and she's a new boyfriend.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Good night. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this vlog. I'll see you in the next one.
Love you guys.
Wait, just kidding. Not done yet. Psych. Bye.